The journey to premium coconut water begins.
Focus on the size, move the damaged ones aside. Batch successfully scanned, records updated and ready for transport.
This load is ready to go. Secure the gate and we're moving out.
The coconuts pass through our state-of-the-art sanitizing tunnel, ensuring every fruit receives uniform treatment. Food-safe sprays provide additional protection. The pressure is stabilizing right on target.
Yes, the membrane performance is optimal.
Nintoys. Laboratory experts collect product samples. Scientific testing begins immediately. Technicians measure sweetness and acidity.
The coconut water enters giant storage tanks. The tanks are temperature controlled. Automated monitoring systems operate continuously. Controlled heating is improving product safety as expected.
The sensors confirm the temperature is holding steady.
Temperature steady at 95 Celsius.
Sensors confirm the heating cycle is stable. We are maintaining flow.
Filled coconut water bottles reach the sealing section. Automatic capping machines secure each bottle. Tight seal. Look at that efficiency. We are ahead of schedule.
The automation is performing flawlessly. Date coding equipment prints production details. Batch numbers are added automatically. Every coconut water bottle becomes fully traceable. Digital records store all information.
Forklifts transport pallets into the warehouse. The facility is spacious and organized. Inventory software tracks every pallet. Workers manage storage locations accurately.
Breaches. Customer orders are received electronically. Warehouse staff locate required products. Pallets are selected for shipment.
Is the Dallas freight secured? Yes, all strapped down. Copy that, pulling out now.
Negligence. The trucks travel across long highways. Distribution centers receive the shipments. Workers unload products efficiently. Inventory system.
It says 100% natural hydration.
And the packaging is so easy to carry.
Yes.
Yes, this brand has high-quality standards.
The efficiency metrics stabilized right after the adjustment.
Yes, the thermal recalibration worked perfectly. We are maintaining 98% uptime.
Safety check complete. Torque the main coupling to spec. Done. Running the diagnostic now. Everything looks nominal.
The facility promotes environmental sustainability. Coconut shells are collected separately. Useful byproducts are recycled. Waste reduction programs are active.
Beamplets. Research specialists test new innovations. Processing methods are continually improved. Scientists evaluate product quality.
The quality reports are outstanding this quarter.
We implemented the new process, improving efficiency by 15%.
Excellent work. This success belongs to the whole team.
From the freshest coconuts harvested by our dedicated team to the most advanced bottling technology, we ensure excellence at every stage.
Fresh coconuts became premium coconut water. Strict quality control ensures excellence, and the manufacturing journey concludes successfully.